there! Today, we're going to talk about the parts of speech. Every day, we talk. We must make good sentences to say what we mean. Sentences are built up with lots of different words. These words are like the building blocks of sentences. They are called parts of speech. So, what are these parts of speech? Basically, there are 8 parts of speech in the English language: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Determiners. Determiners are another part of speech. They hold significant importance within a sentence. While some classify determiners as adjectives, they are also recognized as a distinct part of speech in modern grammar. Now, we're going to identify the parts of speech in a given sentence while understanding what each part of speech is. Look at the following sentence. Wow! Today she happily danced under the twinkling stars and played with her fluffy dog. Would you like to organize the parts of speech in this sentence? Let's do it. Nouns. Nouns are words that name people, animals, places, things, or ideas. Examples: people, John; teacher, doctor; animals, cat; bird, elephant; places, park, school, beach; things, book, car; apple, ideas; love, freedom, happiness. Now, let's find the nouns in this sentence. Today, stars, dog. Pronouns. Pronouns are words that we use to replace nouns in sentences to avoid repetition. Examples: personal pronouns, I, you; he, she, it.
Possessive pronouns: mine, yours, his, hers, its. Demonstrative pronouns: this, that, these, those. Relative pronouns: who, whom, whose, which, that. Interrogative pronouns: who, whom, whose, which, what. Now let's find the pronouns in this sentence. It's she and her. Verbs. Verbs are action words that show what someone or something is doing. Examples: action verbs: run, jump, eat, sleep, dance. Helping verbs: can, will, may, might, should. Linking verbs: is, am, are, was, were. Modal verbs: could, would, should, must, might. Transitive verbs: carry, eat, write, draw, build. Now, let's find the verbs in this sentence. Danced and played. Adverbs. Adverbs are words that describe or modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Examples: manner: quickly, slowly, carefully. Time: yesterday, today, now. Hold on. You told before that today is a noun? Today can function as both a noun and an adverb, depending on how it's used in a sentence. As a noun: today is Monday. Here, today is the subject of the sentence, functioning as a noun. As an adverb: I will do it today. Here, today modifies the verb do, indicating when the action will happen. So today can serve as a noun when it refers to the current day as a concept or point in time, and as an adverb when it specifies the timing of an action. Place: here, there, everywhere. In degree: very, quite, extremely. Frequency: often, sometimes, rarely. Now, time to find the adverbs of this sentence. Happily, there's only one adverb in this sentence. Adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns or pronouns by giving more information about their qualities, quantities, or characteristics. Examples: color: red, blue, green. Size: small, large, tiny. Shape: round, square, oval. Age: young, old, new. Feeling: happy, sad, excited. Now let's find the adjectives of this sentence. Twinkling and fluffy. Prepositions: Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. But examples: location, in, on, at, direction, to, from, into, time, before, after, during, relationship, with, without, by, agency, by, through, via. Now finding the prepositions time, under, and with. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that connect words, phrases, or clauses within a sentence. They help to join ideas, making the relationship between them clear. Examples: coordinating conjunctions, and, but, or, so, for. Subordinating conjunctions, because, although, if, while, since. Let's find the conjunctions of the sentence now. And is the only conjunction in this sentence. Interjections. Interjections are words or phrases that express strong emotions or sudden reactions. They often stand alone and can be used to convey surprise, joy, pain, or other feelings. Examples: expressing amazement or admiration. Wow. Expressing pain or discomfort. Ouch. Expressing joy or excitement. Yay. Expressing mild embarrassment or mistake. Oops. Expressing realization or understanding. Ah. Now time to find the interjections of the following sentence. Wow is the only interjection in this sentence. Determiners. Determiners are words that come before nouns to provide more information about them, such as quantity, possession, or specificity. Examples: articles, a, an, the. Quantifiers: some, any, many, few, several, all, each, every. Numerals: 1, 2, 3, first, second, third. As in one book, 2 apples, 3 cars, the first house, the second dog. Hang on. We also use these as adjectives. Oh no, I'm so confused. Determiners are often considered a type of adjective because they perform a similar function. They both modify or provide more information about nouns. While traditional adjectives typically describe the qualities or characteristics of nouns directly, for example, big house, red car, determiners help specify or clarify the nouns they precede by indicating things like possession, for example, my book, quantity, for example, 3 cats, or definiteness, for example, the chair. In essence, both adjectives and determiners serve to give more information about nouns, which is why determiners are sometimes classified as a type of adjective. Since determiners share many similarities with adjectives in terms of their function, it's common to group determiners under the broader category of adjectives within the study of parts of speech. Therefore, while some grammatical frameworks treat determiners as a separate category, others consider them a type of adjective. Both classifications are valid and can be useful for understanding how language works. So let's see if there's any determiners in this sentence. The is the only determiner it has. And that wraps up our lesson on the parts of speech. I hope you enjoyed learning about nouns, pronouns, verbs, and all the rest. Remember, understanding the parts of speech is like mastering the tools of language, so keep practicing and exploring the wonderful world of words. Until next time, happy learning!
Visit k8schoollessons.com for 1,000+ free worksheets, lessons, and quizzes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.